Hi everyone. Today I had the pleasure of volunteering at the Mary the Virgin Church in Kenton Harrow, where the community came together for a wonderful summer barbecue. The event was filled with laughter, music, and the delicious smell of food cooking on the grill. The weather was on our side, bright, sunny, and just perfect for a gathering like this. What stood out the most to me was the amazing sense of community spirit. Everyone was so welcoming, friendly, and genuinely happy to be there. It felt more like a big family get-together than just a local event. One of the activities I was trusted with was face painting, which was such a fun experience for me. I had the chance to paint Raheem's face, and he requested the Marvel character Venom. It was a bold choice, and I loved the challenge. I used a mix of black, red, and white to bring the design to life, making sure to capture that fierce, striking look that Venom is known for. When I handed Raheem the mirror, his reaction was priceless. He was so excited to see the finished design, and that moment really made my day. What I enjoy most about face painting is the creativity and joy it brings to people. Every design is different, every face is a new canvas, and each time I learn something new, whether it's about blending colors, adding details, or working with different requests. This experience has inspired me even more to keep practicing, to experiment with new designs, and to continue improving my skills. I'd love to take on more characters, explore more colorful looks, and maybe even try more advanced techniques as I grow in this hobby. I also want to give a big shout out to Drone Pilot Official, who captured the event so beautifully on video. They really managed to highlight not just the fun activities, but also the warmth and energy of the day. If you enjoy creative and engaging content, I definitely recommend giving them a follow. You'll get to see more great videos like this one. Overall, today was more than just a barbecue. It was a celebration of community, creativity, and connection. I'm really grateful I was able to be a part of it, and I'm already looking forward to more opportunities like this in the future.